this book here, yeah, it's about me. It is. That's my name right there, Glub. It's about me. So I just want to show you one page because I find it a little bit confusing. Let me show you. Right, so it's all really cute, yeah. And then there's this page and it says, I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to be. A monster, an alien, definitely not a fairy. Am I a goblin, an ogre or a big purple flea? My name is Glub. I will just have to be me. There I am, Glub, and I don't look nothing like a flea. I don't want to be a fairy. I don't know what I am. So what do I do now? I don't know. Wait a minute. What's this? How to Be a Monster by Two Little Monsters. Learn today for only 99p. That's a bargain. Right. I'm doing this.
Don't be cute.
But I'm already not cute. Look at me. I've got spots. And a big blue nose. I'm not cute. I don't think I'm cute. Nah. Puppies are cute and I don't look like a puppy or a baby. Babies are cute, aren't they? I'm not cute. No.
I didn't want a spaces.
Oh, hiding. I can do this one. Can you see me? You can't, can you? I'm hiding.
You have to wanna be fast.
I can be fast. Watch this. You know, I don't really know what they mean. Is that fast?
Roar! Roar!
Roar! Roar! Roar! I don't know if that's a good roar. Let me try again. Roar! Roaring takes it out of you. Well, I guess I better put it all together and see if I can be a monster. Let's go. Okay, I'm hiding under a bed and I'm gonna make a jump. Yeah, I'm gonna be a monster. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Rawr. You're so cute. I'm not cute. You're so cute. Oh. So are you saying I can be cute and a monster?
Yeah, of course. You've just got a raw.
Raw.
You're so cute.
Oh, thank you.